This is an $8 million car and it's called the Bugatti Divo. Now check this out, guys. This is insane. And again, look at this. Look how the taillights light up. This is so freaking cool. It's a 3D mesh of taillights. Now you've got this shark fin here running down the back of the Divo, and that's to disperse the air from the W16 1500 horsepower Bugatti engine. Now this right here, look, we've got 4 exhaust pipes, one here and one here. The reason why they didn't put all 6 is because the heat from the exhaust pipes would melt this camera here on the back. How crazy! There are only 40 of these cars in the world. And look down here. This from the door actually slots in here because it's an air intake. And that air intake flows through here and out here, which is cool. And look at this interior, you guys. How luxe is this? You've got these little bird-shaped stitching. All right, and look at all of this carbon fiber, you guys. The whole door. Carbon fiber everywhere. This is actually 35 kilos lighter than the Bugatti Chiron. Engine on. Here we go. $8 million right here. Look at this, you guys. 500 kilometers an hour. Where do you see that on a speedometer? This is actually limited though to 380. Now, look here. This is freaking cool, this view. Look what I see straight into the engine. Here as well, it's all stripped down in the middle. You've only got 4 dials and your gear lever and all of this carbon fiber. Now we're gonna go for a drive. So we're gonna chuck her in Autobahn mode, flick that over, and the car lowers. Ready for this? 1500 horsepower. It's just so easy to drive. So perfectly composed. Hear those turbos? Here we go. 4 turbos. Isn't this incredible? Massive thank you to the owner for letting me drive your beautifully spec'd Divo. Thank you, thank you. What an experience.